Welcome my friends, welcome in my tutorial. Today I will be talking about Laplacian deformer. Please help me to pronounce because I'm not sure how to pronounce Laplacian deform. I don't know if I pronounced in English very well. Oh, I got problem with Zoom. If you got this, hit F button. Sometimes Zoom does not work. Let's get started. Turn on limit selection because we will be creating anchor vertex groups and hooks. This may take some mesh vertices. I think I don't know if I hook to new object. Hook to new object because first we need to create hooks. I was thinking to do in side view. I don't know how to make it bigger, this view. Hold shift just in case. Oh no, I have to. Oh, we already created, don't worry about this, but just in case. Mesh vertices, hook. Hopefully I should be okay to create this thing because I want to show you this modifier. Well, this modifier is wonderful. I didn't expect this program to have such big possibility. Hook to new object, and I was thinking to hook belly because we will deform belly as well, because I think groups will have to be created. Hopefully I'm right. Oh no, I don't know how to use a shortcut. Control V I think I should use next time to speed things up. Control V. Oh, this makes things easier. I forgotten I can create. Now that only worries me. Hopefully I am right selecting groups. I don't really want to mess up. Because I was learning, dear friends, how to create that stuff, but we need to create group, vertex group, and I would like to call hook Laplacian. I don't know how to pronounce this. Also, I think it looks like it added already hook. I have to check something. Oh, it has been created. As you can see, I can now modify, because I watched the video tutorial from older version of Blender. Hopefully Laplacian should work. Okay, switch to 3D view. I would save this project just in case, because you don't know if Blender crash or not. Laplacian deform. Hopefully I will be right using this. This is our hook Laplacian and buying. Oh, look! What I did wrong? Yes, but it should work. Why it doesn't work? Did I miss something? I don't know if I missed something or not. Oh no, I did it too quick probably. Why this doesn't work? Maybe I should use Ctrl V. I don't understand why it doesn't work. Everything seems to be working. Why it doesn't work? Ctrl V. Maybe I should check what I do. Ctrl V. I see going to hook. Oh my goodness, again. Empty. Okay, let's get to work. Maybe I should use this option. Strange. Maybe this is important. Yes, but this modifier should work. Hooks assigned to hook. Again, I cannot remember. Hook 005. Belly. Now check our belly. 003. I have to put microphone closer. Why this doesn't work? Should I create separate vertex groups? Okay. What about this? Hook 001. Maybe it is important when you assign all hooks and our head. This really annoys me because I didn't expect that. Okay, hook empty and this one. Last one. Hopefully now it will work. Hook 002. Maybe, dear friends, oh no, sorry for that. I completely forgotten. Oh my goodness. Because I didn't assign our group, which was wrong. That is why my modifier did not work. Okay. Oh, it seems to be... Oh no, come on! Modifier, why are you not working? I say it's gone. But everything I have set up correct. Oh yes, sorry guys. My fault. Sorry for this. I just didn't know. I have... When you put modifiers, check if they are in proper order. Sorry that I didn't do straight away. Very funny. I should do animation. I don't have to create bone. Oh, this would be very useful for character rigging. Oh, I didn't know this has such big possibility. Wow, I will be able to create walking character. I'm hoping. I wish I have added more of them. Dancing human. Sorry that I didn't show you straight away. What I have to do is there option to restore position. What this option is to do. Blender doesn't explain. Your modifier must be on the bottom. First, what you need to do, I will tell you once again. You have to have selected vertices. You have to create one group, and group must be assigned. You have to attach hooks to polygon object, and then you will be able to modify. This is wonderful, but it seems to be working quite slow. I think because I don't know why this modifier works very slow, but at last I know how to use this wonderful thing. I didn't expect to see such possibility from this modifier. I studied. Also you can add another thing. What if I try to bind another hook? I will probably have to create new hook. Hopefully my modifier won't... Oh no, sorry. I supposed to use shift. Hopefully my modifier won't fail, and this heap I selected. Ctrl V, hooks. Oh sorry, no, I have to assign. Ctrl V, hooks, hook to new object. Check number of your hook object. Oh no, where this thing appeared? Oh no, why my hook is here? Oh my goodness, I shouldn't have selected modifier. I will probably have to get rid of... I have to get rid of this, or... No, I will probably have to remove this thing. Why this is like this? Yes, but I think I know what I did wrong. Again. Ctrl V, hooks. I have to remove a hook. I forgotten I can only attach hook to bottom part of body. Sorry, this was my fault. If you want to attach to hip, just select this because we already created our group. Control V, hooks. Hook to new object. Control V, hooks. Assign to hook empty 007 and all. Wait, I must think. Hopefully, yes, but I created new. I will probably have to select. I don't know if I should select from beginning. Let's see if error comes up or not. Because I am a little bit too lazy to create another new group. Yes, but not everything is working. Okay, I can see errors. It's not everything working when I modify it again. You see, topology looks a little bit ugly. I think I should pay attention when I first started. Oh no. I don't know, this tells me I can create in edit mode. That's strange. If I want this modifier to work correctly, I would probably have to create a new group. Probably removing modifiers. You can always remove all hooks if you want to create new. You can create a new group from beginning. I know it takes a longer time, but group is, I believe group is important. I know this works quite strange. Oh no, this is... again. Wait, this should be selected. My points will still be selected when I go back to polygon mode. Because I won't create it from beginning. You can assign again, and after doing that, the only issue is I didn't remove all the hooks, but doesn't matter. Control V, hooks. Wait a minute. What is make vertex parent? Hooks. Hook to selected object. Oh no. Yes, okay, but wait, I have to check something. Yes, I already have this. Wait a minute, this doesn't work. Oh, works okay, but why like this? Control V hook. I messed everything up because I doesn't matter. I should really delete all the hooks because I lost myself a little bit. At last we created groups because I felt lost. This is hook 1 because I want to create from beginning this. Ctrl V, hook to new object. Oh, it's not called hook 002. Doesn't matter. Hook empty. At last I created a group. Okay. Our belly, Ctrl V, hook to new object. Check in outliner what name of hook. Hook to assign to hook 002 and our heap. I switched on limit selection, Ctrl V, hook to new object, hook empty 003. Wow, wonderful modifier, guys. You have seen already how does this thing work, but I want to try to create once again because I've forgotten about something. Okay, Ctrl V. I must check if my Laplacian will work because I already assigned group. I think I should be okay now. Unfortunately, Laplacian must be last. Otherwise it won't work at all. Very interesting deformer. I didn't expect to work like this. I am a bit worried. Yes, it works! Yes, this is what I needed from this Laplacian to work. You will probably have to watch this video tutorial. How long? Oh no, this will be long video, my friends. Dancing character. What if I take a scale? I didn't expect to make. Oh no, I didn't. Oh no. This was empty, which I didn't use in my thing. Wonderful. I wish I could similar effect in character rigging. This works like rigging. I think I could use for making animation. Now we have got our character, but I cannot bend the legs because I didn't add enough hooks. No, not enough vertices are bound to this deformer. I hope you like this video. See you in next tutorial.